From the moment it is now your time to greet the client who has come into the salon, into your space. How do you start that greeting? Whether it's a new client or an existing client, what is the difference? You still got to greet the person. So what is the best practice to greet that person?
For me, it's always eye contact and a smile. It starts with eye contact and a smile. If it's a new client, I'll shake her. I shake my client's hand. If it's one of my existing clients, it's always acknowledging them, acknowledging that they're here with me, thanking them. Hey, great to see you. I'm so happy you came in. Something that simple, but it's always eye contact, a smile. A smile goes a long way, guys. Smile at someone, and especially someone that is here to see you, you'll get a smile back. And that sets it up here. Yeah.
With an existing client, do you embrace them? Do you give them a hug?
I'm not a hugger. I'm always, hey, great to see you. You know, I have some clients that give me a hug, and I hug back.
You are acknowledging somebody exists. It's way better than, hey, come on back. And you're yelling, hey, come on back, come on over. And you're just kind of doing this waving thing at them.
No, I will step away. If I'm working on someone and someone shows up, I will I'll go, excuse me for a second. Hey, hi, Denise.
If you're in a salon space where you have to walk a little bit of a distance to your chair, guide the person. Okay. Put one hand, put one hand up like this, where, don't grab them and start pushing them, but just kind of put like one hand up where it's like you're not going past this anymore. And then with your other hand, just kind of present them. We're going to start going this way. And you can either walk alongside them side by side, or you could be a half step behind, let them lead. Okay. And you're just kind of guiding them along to the chair or to wherever you want them to end up for the moment. And then, I personally always offer a beverage of some sort. We have a couple of different options at the salon that I'm at.
That in my studio, if it's a new client, and even my existings, I shouldn't say that. I'm always like, hey, coffee, or do you want a water bottle or something like that? And a lot of times they all come in with their giant cups anyway.
Even if I see somebody with a giant cup, I'll still say, are you good? I see you have your little tumbler thing or your gallon jug.
Can I freshen that up for you?
With that, or do you want something else?
Right.
It's just trying to be gracious, trying to make the person feel welcome. Initially, you want somebody to feel welcome. They have stepped into your space. They are no longer outside in the world. They are now inside, and they are in your space. To create as much of a nurturing environment as possible, this simple smile, simple offering of something shows the person that you are there to take care of them, and they are in good hands.